Now much of this compartment is galvanized, so you don't see moisture rust in it. But the parts that aren't, look at that capacitor. That capacitor is completely rusty. Look down here at the bottom. Look at how much rust you have there, and look in that channel over there. Sorry, get these wires out of the way. You can see all the moisture there in the channel. Look at that electrical fitting. Look at the corrosion around the electrical fitting. This panel, this control box has been getting very moist and very humid. You even have some marker there that has been wiped off. I don't know if that means moisture or not.